Sabine parishes. Let's go there and see where it is and who's affected in that direction. Let's see. Okay, here was the first one, which included the central portion of Sabine Parish. But we now picked up this one, which extends into Natchitoches Parish, and that would include the rest of Sabine Parish up toward Pleasant Hill, and then into Natchitoches Parish. Just missing the city of Natchitoches, but out toward Fairview Acres, and not far from Sibley Lake there. Beechwood Estates, as you know, in that direction. Going up into Campy, though, that's in the warned areas where it's Creston. We got Fairview Alpha, Powhatan, Allen, also in the warned area. So that kind of gives you an idea. If you're south of the city of Natchitoches, you're not in this warned area. In fact, again, the city of Natchitoches just misses this on the southeast side there, going in toward, again, those cities affected would include almost up around Grand Ecore, and then extending to the north of Sibley Lake, Fairview Acres, Calvert Acres, Highland Acres, Oakleaf Estates, and Greenwood Park, and that area just out of it to the south. But then as you go toward Allen, Powhatan, that's in the warned area as well. That's Campty and Fairview Alpha, Piermont, and then Creston, right on the border there. This warning is a severe thunderstorm warning. Again, this is for a severe thunderstorm until 12:15. And this, of course, yeah, I know it says county, but that's the way our software is. You know it's a parish, and I'm saying it's a parish. So that, again, till 12:15, so not a lot longer on that. And this is the standard warning. This is the quarter size hail, 60-mile-per-hour wind possible. And so this is not what I'll call an enhanced warning, but it needs to be respected anyway. So go ahead and stay indoors, away from windows, and don't travel in this warned area until things, of course, get better, things improve, and that won't happen probably until sometime later on Monday, as there's rounds of rain coming across the area from the west. In fact, let me turn this radar back on and we'll loop it for you. Going back 1 hour, you see heavy thunderstorms coming in from the west across East Texas. There looks like a little bit of a Boeing segment there in Sabine Parish. We got that covered with a warning, though, for some strong wind, maybe up to 60 miles per hour. Turning on the lightning, you see there's a lot of lightning with this particular thing. It's loud thunderstorms. So these are the kind that kind of scare people. They don't sleep with these. And of course, the rainfall very heavy. And this is one of those situations where you could undergo either a tornado warning and a flash flood warning at the same time, or a severe thunderstorm warning and a flash flood warning at the same time. That's not happening yet, but it could, because these thunderstorms are very heavy, efficient rainfall producers, certainly capable of a couple of inches or even more per hour, or even less. And of course, that means that the flooding, flash flooding of those areas that are susceptible to that, they could get in some trouble. But again, that's where the heaviest action is. And slowly but surely, you can see as it's backed up to the west, it will move eastward and overspread central Louisiana during the remainder of the night and into tomorrow morning. And again, I'm concerned that for some folks, it may be a problem for their commute back to work and school in the morning because of the threat from flooding with heavy rainfall and, of course, even some strong wind if some severe thunderstorms still around at that time, and heaven forbid a tornado, because there's still some potential for tornadoes with this. All right, that's all I've got for you, is that the severe thunderstorm warning until 12:15 for Natchitoches Parish. The city of Natchitoches not in that, just out of it to the south. It's to the north of Natchitoches city proper for a standard warning for some hail and some strong wind. Okay, thanks for being with me. We'll continue to keep you updated through the night.